Today I'm going to show you how to make this stunning flower hair vine. Here's a step-by-step tutorial to guide you through the process. Let's start by painting the flowers. I'm using Humbrol enamel model paint to do that. I'm mixing ivory and white gloss paint to make an off-white color. Always stir the paint before starting. It's important to not do thick layers at one go. If you want a more opaque result, do 2 or more layers. But let each layer completely dry between applications. The paint will be fully dry in 24 hours. You can choose to either paint just the front of the flower like I did, or paint the back of the flower as well after the first layer has fully dried. I have listed all the materials needed to make this hair vine down below in the description box. There are many places you can find these types of materials, so use whichever you prefer or which place is available to you in your country. If I can't find the exact materials that I used, I will try and link something like them. First, start by cutting about 1 meter of wire. Then let's thread one of the 3mm pearl beads through the wire. Find the middle of the wire and bend it around the bead. Start twisting the bead around and keep twisting until the wire is about 3 centimeters in length. This will form our first loop. Separate the 2 wires and put the bead through them and start twisting the wire around the bead, making sure that the loop is closed. Here's a little tip. Take a pen or something similar and insert it through the loop to bend the wire into a perfect round loop. Let's make our first pearl branch. The branch is going to be about 3 centimeters in length. So take the smallest pearl to about 3 to 3.5 centimeters distance and bend the wire around the bead. Start twisting the bead around. Then do the same with 2 4mm size beads on alternating sides of the branch. Let's add a 6mm bead. Finally, I'll add one of the pretty oval-shaped beads. You can modify this design to your own liking. Maybe you would prefer less beads or more. It's totally up to your taste. The second branch starts the same with a 3mm bead as the first one. I usually prefer starting my branches with the smallest bead and then moving on to the bigger ones. The second bead is another one of the 4mm beads. The only difference between this and the first branch is that the third bead is not a 4mm one. Instead, I'm adding 3 of the smallest 3mm beads and forming a little cluster of beads. Then continue the same as in the first branch with a 6mm bead followed by an oval bead. Now that we have 2 pearl branches, I'm going to show you how to attach the hand-painted flower. Start by putting the wire through the flower and the stamen. And then take the small crystal and thread the wire through 2 of the 4 holes at the back. Take the wire and thread it back through the stamen and flower bead caps. To make sure that the flower isn't going to move around too much, I recommend wrapping the wire around the base of it quite a few times. Here, I'm adding a couple of oval beads to surround the flower. When making these types of hair accessories, it's important to look at the design and add more beads when you feel there's a gap between the components. Then I'll make another pearl branch. At this point, my wire is running low, so it's a perfect time to show you how to add a new length of wire. Since I want to make this into a vine, I'll wrap the remaining wire around the base of the flower. Cut the excess wire off with your side cutters. Take your chain nose pliers and tuck the end in, and using your fingertips, make sure there are no sharp edges. Do the same with the other remaining wire. If you wanted to, you could just leave it as it is. This could be a pretty little piece that you could attach to your hair with some bobby pins. Or you could take some wire and attach it to a hair comb. Cut another piece of wire. Find the middle of the wire and bend it. Place the bent bit on the base of the flower and start twisting it. That's how you can attach more wire to continue to make your piece longer. Now continue alternating with the two slightly different pearl branch designs and adding flowers until you have reached a length you are happy with. To finish the vine, make another loop like in the beginning of the process. You can easily make this design your own by using different color paint or beads. This hair vine I made has 7 flowers and is about 12.5 inches long. It is long enough to wear like a headband, and you can attach some ribbon to the little loops to wrap it around your head, or you can use bobby pins to attach the vine to your hairdo. I hope you really enjoyed crafting with me. Please do subscribe for more tutorials like this. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I'll see you in the next one.